In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your posts in itch.io quickly and easily. If you've ever made a post on itch.io and couldn't find where it went, or you just want to review your past updates, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a simple process, but it can be confusing if you're new to the platform, so I'll make it as clear as possible. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed into the account that you used to create the post you want to view. That part is important because your posts will only appear under the correct account. Now look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your username. Next to your username, there should be a small drop-down arrow or menu icon. Click that drop-down to open your account options. When the menu appears, you'll see several different links and settings related to your profile and account. From that list, click on Posts. This will take you to the section where all of your itch.io posts are stored and displayed. Once you're on the Posts page, you can scroll through and view your past posts, check what you've published, and review any updates you may have shared. If you're managing a project or community page, this is a great way to keep track of your activity without digging through other parts of the site. So, to quickly recap, open itch.io, click the drop-down next to your username in the top right, and then click Posts. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to view your posts in itch.io in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.